Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So today, I have a surprise. This box. So can you guess what it is? It's from, I got it on AliExpress. Christopher, my name. AWPS Renewable Energy. So I'm going to open this box. This is a surprising new tool that I intend to use for my videos. So I'm pretty excited. Pause. Apart with my trusty shears. So I'm going to bring it out of the box. And here's the box. We throw it away. So have you guessed what this is? Let me turn it slowly. And then I'm going to come closer to the camera to show you what's in there. So what does this say? It says SJRC Pro EIS. Let me see, can you see it? Can you read it? SJRC. So have you figured out what it is yet? So we intend to use this a whole lot more. It serves as two tools. One, I get a better view of what my people are doing. And secondly, I can show you better pictures. So let me open it. So as you can tell, it's a very, very beautiful bag or box or whatever you want to call it. So I like the bag, I like the box. So I've unzipped it, and let's start with what it came with. So a manual. Let me see if I can show you the manual. Let me come closer. That's the manual. It says folding aircraft. So I guess you figured out what it is. 14 plus, I guess I'm more than 14. And what's contained within? Blades, 2 type C, cable only for charging. And then you have a USB type C, USB micro, and then one lightning. I don't know what lightning does, but whatever lightning does, as long as it doesn't hit me, I don't care. And then it has this part that's fixed parts for propellers, whatever that means. And then here, joystick parts 2. So if you've not figured it out, I got a drone. I finally got a drone. After all this time, I have one. So here are the propellers. They gave you 2 pairs. I guess the upper propeller and lower propeller are different, so they gave me, so there are 4. In here was that cable, which is right here, this cable, dangling cable. And then my extra joystick. See the joystick thing? I'll show you what it looks like because they gave me spares. And then the cover. And guess what? I got an extra battery. It comes in when you're going to be doing lots of video shoots. I got the remote. Let me show you the remote. The remote has a display. And then this is where your joysticks. And those are, you see here? Those are the extra joystick thingies. And then here are your controls for, yeah, you use this to take pictures, I think. Yep, you can use this to take pictures and then move your camera. So let me show you the magic of this. Where's my other phone? So you can put this in here and push it. Put that in there, and then you could see what's going on because your drone, where your drone is seeing, you're seeing it right there on your phone. So this is where you'll be flying it, moving it forward, moving it sideways, just using that. So I'm pretty psyched. Finally, I got myself a drone. And then let me bring the drone itself out. So it fits, in the US and most countries, anything under 250 grams, you don't need special registration or any licenses to fly. So this is under 250 grams. It's the SJRC F22, I think. I think that's the model number, but don't take it to the bank. They give you, as you can see, the propeller is held in place to prevent it from moving, or to prevent, when you're transporting it, prevent damage, so it locks it in place. So let me take that off. And then let me unfold the propellers for you. So here we go. These are the top. Oops, I accidentally pressed the start button. And that's the bottom. So you see I have an extra, this is the extra battery I have. That's the start button to start it. And then right here is your, I think, okay, this is your camera, because this can move. Okay, don't take it to the bank, but this is your camera because it's supposed to move. This is your collision avoidance sensor. So I'll figure it out once oh yeah, there's a cover on it. So let me see. Let me take the cover off. Let me take and there you go. Oh, sorry. Was I supposed to take that off? Okay. Yep, that is your camera. So this moves up and down, sideways, and that moves up and down. So this is the cover for the camera. So that's the camera, and this is your crash avoidance sensor. And it also has sensors underneath. So let me show you that again. So I remove the cover, and that's your camera. Okay, it does a full 4K. I think it does 4K or 8K, but I know it definitely does 4K at 30 frames per second. And then here is your collision sensor, and then underneath here are your lights. So these are your landing skids. So let me show that. And these are your lights. So if you decide to fly at night, you could see your drone. So I'm pretty excited. I know I sound boring and I sound bored, but I'm not. I'm pretty excited about this. It's finally here. I paid for this almost 30 days ago. And I went and picked it up this morning as soon as it told me it had come in. So this is my new drone. I could use it like this to do videos. I could fly it to do videos. So once I finish charging everything and I get it up and running, I'll do a video to show you. I think I'll do a video of the drone doing a video of me, and I'll do a video of me videoing the drone. I think that's what I'll do. I'll do 2 different videos for you to see, and hopefully I'll stitch them together and show you what it looks like. So I'm very excited. Remember all that roof work we do? Instead of paying someone to come and do it, we can do it ourselves now. So you can see what's going on the roof. I also can see better what's going on the roof to make sure my people are doing the right things. So if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria with my new 4K drone. Thank you for watching.